In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a checkbox in Google Docs. Whether you're creating a to-do list or organizing your tasks, adding checkboxes is a handy way to keep track of your progress. So let's get started with the simple and efficient tutorial. First, head over to your Google Drive homepage. Here you'll find all your existing documents, but for today's tutorial, we're going to start fresh. Click on the new button, which you'll find in the top left corner of the screen. This will give you a drop-down menu from which you should select Google Docs. Clicking on this will open a brand new blank document where we can begin working. If you already have an existing document where you'd like to add checkboxes, go ahead and open that doc instead. Once you have your document open, direct your attention to the menu bar at the top of the page. Here, you'll want to click on Insert. Now, Google Docs has a lot of great features under the Insert menu: images, tables, drawings, but for our purposes, continue scrolling down until you see the option for special characters. Once you've clicked on special characters, you'll see a search bar and some symbols. In the search bar, type in check. This will filter the results to show different types of check marks and checkbox symbols. Take a moment to browse through the options and select the check or checkbox style that fits your needs. Once you've found one, click on it and it will be inserted into your document where your cursor is positioned. Now, if you're looking to create an interactive checklist, there's a neat feature in Google Docs that makes this easier. First, highlight the list of items you want checkboxes next to. After highlighting, look back to the top menu bar, but this time you should see a checkbox icon. Next to this icon is a small drop-down arrow. Click this arrow and choose your preferred checkbox style from the options provided. To make the most of these features, feel free to explore and experiment with different checkbox styles. You might find that the simple boxes suit your needs, or you may want to try out some of the more intricate options. Remember that once the checkboxes are in place, you can simply click on them to check or uncheck items as you complete your tasks. It's a great way to visually track your progress and make your list more interactive and engaging. That's all there is to it. You've now learned how to insert checkboxes into your Google Docs, whether you want static symbols or a fully interactive checklist. Feel free to explore further and see how you can integrate this feature into your day-to-day work. Thank you for watching, and happy organizing!